Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Atrey and welcome to my channel. I hope everybody is keeping fine. And now that without any further ado, let's get started. And probably if you don't know me, my name is Atrey, as I said earlier, and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, beauty, reviews, hauls, etc. So if this is something interests you, make sure to stay subscribed. And now without any further ado, let's get started. All right, so yes, today is a no makeup kind of day. I haven't applied any face makeup, and yeah, although I have applied a lipstick and filled my brows, and you can see very nominal background, and also I'm shooting this video from my front camera because today I wasn't feeling well, but I really wanted to shoot some videos because of time crunch, so that's the reason. So, as from the title, I'm going to review this brand, the skincare brand that is Earth Rhythm, and I got a few products from their line, from their brand. So, yeah, let's get started and let me tell you what I think about these products. Yeah. So, a few days back, I placed an order from Earth and Rhythm. I think it's been quite a long days, and there are two specific skincare products which I started using, and here I am with the review. I ordered a few things that I will show you later in the video. I have taken cool shots of those products, लेकिन वीडियो जो है वो वैसे cool background में नहीं हुई. I'm very very sorry for that. So I have the Phyto gel, and again I have their Renew Overnight Gel with snail mucin. What is happening to me? And this is a product which I ordered earlier. This is the Daily Defense Sun Fluid, and I also have the lip and cheek tint. So for those of you who like makeup, here is something which I'm going to tell you about. And a thing which is very very lovable to me is their neem wood comb. This is their neem wood comb. We will talk about it later. And the last thing which was very trending and people swore by that product, that is their makeup removing pad. Yeah, so these are total 6 products, and yeah, now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. I really wanted to make this video a little bit chilled out, है ना. बहुत ज़्यादा मैं उसमें प्रोफेशनल शॉट्स नहीं दिखाऊंगी, एक आधा प्रोडक्ट को छोड़ के, क्योंकि उनका मैंने पहले ही ले लिया है. So grab anything, I mean not anything literally, I mean grab some coffee or tea or whatever you feel like. Yeah, let's get started. So what happened was that I ordered the sunscreen, and one more thing, I don't remember. Actually, their Murumuru butter soap. It was their hair soap, but sadly I didn't like that. So we're not going to talk about that. I don't even have it with me. So I did not review that product. So इसी वजह से ये जो है मैंने बहुत पहले ऑर्डर किया था. 6 month हो गए हैं इसको ऑर्डर किए हुए. And rest I ordered 3 months back, and I have been trying these products since then. So let's get started with the Phyto gel. This is how their Phyto gel looks like. Again, YouTubers, Instagrammers, they raved about this one. This is their Phyto gel with Centella asiatica and horsetail extract. It is for calming and soothing your skin. This is for sensitive skin as well as acne prone skin, and this is very very hydrating. This is 50 gram of product. So it has Centella asiatica, which is also known, which is similar to your hyaluronic acid. And why did I say hyaluronic acid? Because this is very moisturizing on your skin. And Centella asiatica is also known as gotu kola, that is used for soothing your skin, any burn marks or anything. So because I have sensitive skin, and how did I get to know that I have sensitive skin? Because my cheek area, like this area, always gets red whenever I am exposed to sun. This area gets red. By the way, not wearing any makeup, so as you can see that how my face looks like. So this part of face, you see it is a little bit red from rest of my face, even this part as well. So that's when I got to know that I am sensitive skin type. I am not an acne prone skin type. I am pretty normal to oily in summers and normal to dry in winters. Okay, so when I first started using this serum, I would say, because this is, they say that this is an hydrating fluid. So this is having a, you know, green type of color. So I hope this is not color free, I think so. So it is very calming and soothing on your skin. It does feel as if you are applying ice on your face. It is really really calming, I must say. And how to use it: after washing your face and applying the toner, apply this one first. So your first step after toner should be this, not any cream, but should be this. And after this you can apply your daily cream and sunscreen. So that's how I like to do it. So once I apply this, it just spreads very easily, has a very nice refreshing feel to it, does not have any peculiar fragrance to it. Only I think that it has a little bit of color. I think this is because of Centella asiatica, because this is again a herb. And all in all, I can say that yes, it does make my skin soothing. Because I will tell you one thing, that yesterday what happened, that I forgot using this one and I went to my school, and when I was coming back, my skin was red. Yeah, because I forgot applying this one in the morning. I always do, but I was in a rush yesterday, so I forgot applying that. But whenever I apply this, my redness gets in control. So this is something, this is a boon for me, because my skin gets very red. I cannot even tell you, मेरा जो ये वाला पोर्शन है ना, ये पूरा रेड हो जाता है. doesn't look good. तो ये जो है मेरे स्किन को बहुत काम करता है. इट जस्ट सूट्स माई स्किन. और मुझे लगता है अगर आपकी एक्ने प्रोन स्किन है, आपके ऊपर ज़रूर काम करेगा. बट अगर आपकी सेंसिटिव स्किन है एंड नॉन एक्ने प्रोन है, तो डेफिनेटली यू शुड गिव दिस अ ट्राई. आई लिटरली लाइक इट. एंड पैकेजिंग भी इसकी बहुत अच्छी है, बिकॉज इट हैज़ अ ग्लास बॉटल लिटरली, एंड does come with the pump. So when you press it, your fluid, it just comes out. And the dispenser is really good. I really like the look and feel, and the effectiveness or efficacy of this product as well. Forward, let's talk about the sunscreen. Because when I use this gel, I generally use a moisturizer. But I used to use a moisturizer when it was cold. Now I don't use moisturizer because it is getting hot in Delhi. Now the next one is their Daily Defense sunscreen lotion. And it has broad spectrum of SPF 30. It is enriched with tender coconut water, and it has UVA and UVB protection, 50 ml of product. So it has a pretty nice dispenser, and as you can see, I have used quite a lot. And the only thing I think is that it worked wonders. Like, don't get me wrong, this is how it looks like, and it is very lightweight. Yes, it is lightweight. The only thing is, I think that in winters it just made my skin really good. But when I am using this in summers, so my skin feels a little bit sweaty, a little bit greasy. So today morning only, when I used this and I topped it off with the sunscreen, my skin starts sweating, and it just, like, from here it is very oily. So otherwise I really like the sunscreen. It does not break you out, and it gives a pretty nice coverage. And best part is that this is very good for sensitive skin type, because it will not make your skin red. Or again, I think the quantity is also fine. For you it might be less, but then, you know, I have been using this, it's been 2-3 months. तो आप देख सकते हो, I use it every single day, and SPF 30 है, तो अगर आप घर के अंदर भी हो, so this is going to be a life savior. So this is for someone who who is having dry skin type. I'm so sorry, dry skin type. And someone who does not like heavy feeling. But if you are an oily skin type, please do not use this around summers, because it is going to make your skin a little bit heavy. It does not leave any white cast as normal white sunscreen will do. It does not feel that. So it's a pretty decent sunscreen. Is it the best? No, I have used better sunscreens, but yeah, it is just fine. So the decision is up to you. Moving ahead, let us now talk about the Earth Rhythm Renew Overnight Gel. And this has snail mucin. This has 70% snail mucin. This is healing and soothing gel mask for sensitive skin. Now, can you imagine that an Indian brand is doing snail mucin? Now, what is snail mucin? Snail mucin is a type of, what should I say, byproduct when the snails are kept somewhere inside a dingy room, and by some process they just leave that gooey substance from their body, and that is what is here. Though now, please do not get me wrong. I mean, of course, that snail mucin which you get, that is so good for your skin. If you're having age, like if you're having a little bit of dull skin, or if your collagen production is decreasing, so snail mucin is going to give that back to you. And I started using this. As you can see, it is about to get over. My husband also started using it, and this became his favorite product. He always says, where is snail mucin? I want to apply snail mucin. So this is really good. Now let me tell you how to apply this. After doing your skincare, that means night skincare, apply this one in night only, because this will work best at night. That's why they say renew overnight gel. So now when you wash your face, use a toner, use a moisturizer. After that, lastly use this, because it's a mask. It is supposed to be on your skin. Doesn't have any fragrance. Let me show you the consistency. Now the consistency is not very gooey, as you will see in Cosrx one, but it is a little bit tacky, not much. So when you apply this on your face, it will feel that you are applying something. Now it will not feel anything on your face. I mean, because if you remember, this one feels a little bit refreshing, but this doesn't feel anything. Apply, the quantity should be good. Just apply this in a good quantity, apply on your neck also, and then sleep. And the next day when you get up, now your skin feels super duper amazing. And this is something, if you are oily skin as well, this is going to suit you, because this is very light, very very light. But just make sure whenever you are using this at night, use a moisturizer before this one. And it feels very amazing, and again it makes my skin very calm. My skin becomes very it just soothes my skin, and calming skin is all what I need. So if you are having acne prone, you can also use this, because this did not break me out. I don't have any breakout. But you have to be consistent. You have to be using this regularly to see results, and you will see that the glow is getting back, and the collagen production is getting back, because snail mucin is known for its anti-aging benefits. So this is really really going to help you in the long run, mark my words. So 100% yes for this one. Okay, now we are left with the tint. So this is how the lip and cheek tint looks like. Now my shade in this is, where is my shade? I will mention my shade somewhere here on the screen. I don't have the shade over here. I have already reviewed this. If you have watched my YouTube shorts, I have already done a tutorial using this. Now this is such a pretty thing. I mean, this doesn't feel like a tint, and it is not even heavy. It is not even those silicone tint which you get ना, that Sivana color और face shop का जो आता है. तो ये जो है ना, ये बहुत ही super duper blendable है. तो if you want that flush of color on your cheek, देख रहे हो ना, feels very natural. If you don't like applying powder blushes, let me apply this and show you. Although I have done so many tutorials, तो थोड़ा सा आप इसको लगाओ and then blend it using your fingers. It is just going to give your cheek flush of color. So you can get other colors also, but I love this one, especially for winters. So you can see this just gives you the right amount of flush of color, and on lips also it just looks so pretty. So I really like it, and although it did not break me out, so if lip and cheek tints generally break you out, so just give this one a try, because it won't break you out, I think so, because it didn't break me out and it just gives a very nice flush of color. So again, highly recommend. I really liked it, like super duper excited to get this one. And now let's talk about the wooden comb. So I was in a search of wooden comb because my hair was falling and I really wanted a wooden comb. So the best part is that this is a neem wooden comb. So when you brush your hair, so the friction is really less. Whenever you are using any plastic brush, the friction is too much. So generally Ayurveda suggests that you should always use a comb, wooden comb, so that your friction is less in your hair fall is lesser, and also your scalp remains clean, because this is neem comb. So yeah, it just makes your scalp free from dandruff and makes your scalp clean. Doesn't have any smell to it, but I really love using it, and it is super duper easy to use. I really wanted to show you one more wooden comb. Okay, now there is a difference between the cheap wooden combs and the ones which are really authentic. So you can see this one is a cheap one. I think this is Chinese. I don't know, like my mom got it from somewhere, and this is what the Earth Rhythm one looks like. So can you see the quality of both the combs? I mean, this is so flimsy, and this is of sandalwood, by the way, but I really didn't like the quality of this, while the quality of this one is so good. So yeah, and this was for 100 rupees, and ये कहीं 250 का था, but this is really worth it. And because it has wide tooth, so very easy to, for your tangles, it is very easy to remove your tangles. So I highly recommend this one as well. Now the last product is, video is going to be is going very long, so I'll just wind up quickly. So last product is this is their makeup remover pad. So what you have to do is that apply that remover. I use the Plum one, so apply Plum cleansing balm or any cleansing balm for that matter on your face, and उसको अच्छे से ना melt your makeup, and then use this, like इसको wet कर लो, and then when you use this ना, I'm going to insert a clip. You will see how I like to use it. So it just removes everything. तो you don't have to waste your money on that cotton का जो पैड होता है, उस आप वो कॉटन से हटाओगे, इतना सारा कॉटन वेस्ट होगा, तो बेटर है कि आप ये ले लो. अगेन रियली नाइस प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम Earth Rhythm. सो ऑल इन ऑल ये भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, मस्ट हैव है. तो वन थिंग विच यू कैन स्किप इज द सनस्क्रीन. आप सनस्क्रीन छोड़ सकते हो, बट अदर देन दैट ऑल द 4 प्रोडक्ट जो है दे आर जस्ट हिट. सनस्क्रीन भी अच्छा है, बट इफ आई हैव हैड टू चूज प्रोडक्ट्स, तो मैं ये चारों प्रोडक्ट्स चूज कर लेती. स्पेशली मैं ये स्नेल म्यूसिन जो है, ये तो मैं ज़रूर चूज करती है. मैं रियली लव इट. और इनका जो ये मेकअप रिमूवर, एक्चुअली सारे ही मेरे फेवरेट्स हैं, बस सनस्क्रीन ओके है. अदर देन सनस्क्रीन एवरीथिंग इज thumbs up. Okay guys, this was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think about this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye.